If you want to start your content creation journey, but you're confused and you're stuck on what platform to start on, maybe you're thinking, should I start on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, or even all of them? I'm going to make that decision very simple for you in this video. One mistake I see a lot of creators make, especially when they're starting out, is trying to be active on all social media platforms. That, my friend, is the recipe for burnout. So instead of trying to be everywhere and spreading yourself too thin, what you need to do is to focus on the platform that works best for you. And I'm going to show you how. Choosing the best platform depends on three things. The first is your content style. If you're someone who loves talking on camera and you enjoy sharing long videos, then YouTube or a podcast is your go-to. If you love short videos that are, engaging and everything is happening at the same time, then TikTok or Instagram is your best bet. If you're someone who loves writing, you just enjoy writing, you could either start with blogging or LinkedIn. The next thing you need to consider is your audience. On what platforms do they spend most of their time? If you're targeting Gen Zs, then TikTok is their home. If your target audience are millennials, then Instagram and or YouTube is where you will find them. If your target audience are professionals, then LinkedIn is their home. If your target audience are more of the elderly, people who are not really tech savvy, then you will find them on Facebook. But if you're having a hard time figuring out where your target audience are, what you need to do is simple. Just go to each platform and search for creators in your niche. Do a research, go through their content to discover or to find out the platform where they get the most engagement, the most followers, and where they are most active. The final thing that you need to think about are your goals. If your goal is if your goal is virality, you want to go viral, you want to blow up, TikTok is your best bet as long as you're consistent. If you want to be on the platform where the content stays searchable long term, then you should focus on YouTube or having a blog. If you're focused on building a community, then you should go for either Instagram or Facebook groups. And finally, if you want to position yourself as either a thought leader or an authority in your niche, then you should think of either starting a podcast, a YouTube channel, a blog, or even a LinkedIn account. Now, don't overthink it. Start by picking at least one platform or at most three platforms where you're going to be actively consistent on, and make sure that the platforms that you pick fits your content style, your audience, and your goals. Let me know in the comment section which platform or which platforms you would like to start with, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.